Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually stepping out of my backyard and into a place that never fails to inspire me, and that is the beautiful Japanese garden at the Huntington Library. This garden is packed with incredible ideas that you can actually easily recreate at home, even if you don't have sprawling ponds or epic bridges. So let's explore together and uncover 3 very simple design elements that can just kind of bring you a little bit of that Japanese garden magic into your own space. Now, before we dive deeper into this exploration, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So I'm on my way to the Japanese garden, but it's so easy to get distracted with the beautiful plants. I mean, just look around. Things are vibrant, things are blooming, and here we are in winter. This is why I love this place for inspiration. Now, on to what we came here for. So before we even get to the entrance of the Japanese garden, we're greeted by these beautiful, epic arches of climbing roses. And architecturally, it just kind of helps guide your eye into the space, creating that grand entrance. And that is something you can think about when designing your own backyard. So let's get in there. Japanese gardens are all about harmony, balance, and just connecting with nature. And what makes this one so special is how it blends traditional elements with very unique features that spark creativity. The driving force behind every Japanese garden design is this ability to bring somebody into nature and connect them with their surroundings. And it's all about appealing to the senses. We have movement, we have the sound of the water and the gravel crunching beneath our feet, making you feel good and invited into that garden environment. We were on the hunt for a deer chaser fountain, and we came across this here, and I think this is about as close as we're gonna get. It's not a true deer chaser, but it's close, and it gives that vibe, and this is where we get inspiration. Me personally, I'm gonna try to install something like this in my backyard. I love the noise that it creates, I love the vibe, and this is something that I think I'm gonna try to DIY pretty soon. Next up is the Ishidoro, or stone lantern. These timeless features symbolize light and guidance. So even if you don't have a massive garden, just placing a stone lantern in a corner or along a pathway can completely transform the vibe of your space. Next up is the beautiful Japanese maple, a true showstopper. These maples are a must-have for the Japanese garden. And you know, spring is really their peak season when the leaves are super vibrant, but what happens in the cooler months? Well, even when they start to lose their leaves, the sun comes in and hits those leaves and it creates a shimmering array of all new colors. And then when they lose all their leaves in the cool season, that exposes that really beautiful trunk structure and all that branching that we absolutely love about the Japanese maple. And this is something so simple you can bring into your own space. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey through the Huntington's Japanese garden. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these elements you would like to see me break down step by step in a future video. Because honestly, your input drives what we create next. I'll see you in the next episode. Stay rooted.